Oh, I got icy durian here. Is the last one. I buy this one is worth of 160 baht. And this is, I think it's 3 pieces, but small thing. So we can finish this one. Yum 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 yum. Can't you if the girl was hot like me? The child. Super. That's so yummy. It's so cold. Tell me you're Filipina without telling me you're Filipina. I don't know, but I'm comfortable when I eat like this. It's not proper, but so comfortable. This durian is so sweet. It's so good. The good thing is there's a lot of meat of the fruit because the seeds is so small. Look. So good. If you ask me why I sit outside, Jim doesn't like durian. He doesn't like the smell. But I really love this. Before, when I was teens, I never ate durian. So I don't like it. I don't like the smell. But my uncle always put in the fridge like durian. Every time I open the fridge, it's in the fridge. I always smell the durian, so I'm getting used to it. And then my uncle say, "You tried it?" And then I try. Did I like it? No, I didn't. I didn't like it. I love it. Oh my god. So good. It's freezing. Oh my god. So good. Look. The seed is really juicy. It's so good. It melts in my mouth. Look at that. There's the seeds. So yummy. Don't worry, babe. Because I wash my hands. So nice. The secret of the durian, it won't smell in your house. If you bring durian in the house, it won't smell. Just put in a packet or in a lunchbox, something like that, and put in a freezer. It won't spoil. It won't smell. You can store as many as you want. So good. Last but not the least, thank you for watching. Bye bye.